Dear friends, in the last lecture we have studied the biology of indigenous carp. Now in this lecture we are going to study the biology of exotic carps. As like Indian major carps, there are three important exotic carps: silver carp, grass carp and common carp. Why they are called as exotic carps? Exotic fishes are those species that are non-indigenous, non-Indian, having their origin in another country and has been introduced into the Indian waters because their origin is other countries, but they have brought in India for the culture purposes, so they are called as the exotic carps. They generally have established a culture, technologies and the economics of production and marketability. The characteristics for the selection of exotic species are as follows. There are number of species, exotic species used for the culture purposes, but while selecting the exotic species for culture purposes, they should have following properties. Should be a fast growth rate, should not compete with valuable native species, those are Indian species. So that exotic species should not compete with the Indian species, otherwise they dominate over the Indian species. Should not undergo cross-breeding with native species. They should not breed with the Indian species. Should be devoid of pest, parasites or diseases. Acclimatize with the new environment and should not cause any adverse ecological effects. That exotic species can be acclimatized in our climate. They don't show any adverse ecological effects. Should be hardy, easy to handle and have other usefulness, multiple benefits. For example, grass carp clears the pond of weeds and its excreta fertilizes the pond. So such type of exotic species are very ideal. Exotic major carps which are well adapted to Indian water are as follows: silver carp, grass carp, common carp. The first, hypophthalmic thighs mollitrix. Commonly it is called as a silver carp. Distributions, it is found in various countries, South and Central China, transplanted to Japan, Formosa, Thailand and Malaysia, and from Malaysia into the Sri Lanka. So this is the distribution of that silver carp. It was introduced in India in 1959. The silver carp is a native of China and is widely cultivated in Southeast Asian countries. Characters: body oblong. Oblong means both the ends of their body is pointed and middle region is swollen shaped. So that is called as a body oblong. And slightly compressed. Head is pointed. Snout is bluntly rounded. Snout means the mouth part, that is a rounded. Lower jaw is slightly protruding. Lower jaw is slightly protruding म्हणजेच त्याचा खालचा जो जबडा असतो तो थोडा वरच्या साईडला असं झुकलेला असतो आणि वरचा जो जबडा असतो थोडा आतल्या साईडला असतो, त्याला प्रोट्रुडिंग म्हणतात. Eyes are small. Scales are very small. Scale silvery color. That why their color is silvery. So that hypothalamic mollitrix commonly called as a silver carp due to their silvery color. The larval stages feed on unicellular algae. Fry and adults feed on flagellates, dinoflagellates, blue-green algae, some protozoans and rotifers, supplemented by decayed macrovegetations, aquatic weeds and detritus. When kept in ponds, it feeds well on artificial diets such as bean meal, rice bran and flour. It feeds on protozoan and rotifers. Vegetables are also consumed. It controls the algal bloom. It is a highly valued pond fish. It is the fastest growing exotic carps. Lateral line scales 108 to 120. Abdominal keel from anus to thorax. Abdominal keel. Abdominal keel means the part which is from the anus to the thorax regions. That is a keel shaped structure. कील सेपरेट स्ट्रक्चर म्हणजे जे बोट वगैरे जे असतात त्या बोटचा जो खालचा भाग जो असतो वेंट्रल साइड पार्ट तो एका वुडन पासून किंवा स्टील पासून बनवलेला असतो जो की त्या ठिकाणी पूर्ण त्या बोटला सपोर्टिंग पार्ट असतो. एका टोकापासून ते दुसऱ्या टोकापर्यंत पूर्ण एका वुडन पासून किंवा स्टील पासून बनवलेला पार्ट असतो त्याला कील म्हणतात. तर या ठिकाणी याचं ॲब्डॉमिनल कील जे आहे ते ॲनस टू thorax पर्यंत आहे. ओरिजिन ऑफ डॉर्सल फिन बिहाइंड वेंट्रल फिन. डॉर्सल फिनची ओरिजिन जे असते ते दॅट इज बिहाइंड द वेंट्रल फिन. मॅक्झिमम लेंथ अबाउट 600 mm. It is a freshwater river fish and is able to live in slightly brackish water. It is a commonly freshwater fish, but it can survive brackish water also. It is a surface feeder on account of mouth position. So generally it is found in the upper layer of water or surface feeder. So according to that their mouth is modified. It is suitable for cultivation in confined water. Confined water means stagnant water किंवा पॉन्ड मध्ये जे वॉटर असते त्याला स्टॅग्नंट वॉटर म्हणतो. But does not breed in ponds. It is does not breed in ponds. It grow in pond but does not breed in ponds. Fry are collected from rivers and reared in nurseries. It can be shipped over a great distances. Breeding takes place from April to June. It is a non-predatory fish feeding on zooplanktons and phytoplanktons. It is often reared in association with other species. Means it is reared with Indian major carp also. Hatchlings when stocked at 10 to 12.5 lakhs per hectare grow to a size of 25 to 30 mm in 15 days. Both the sexes of these species are reported to have become mature when 20 months old. However, industrial breed specimen of silver carp become mature when only 11th months old. Industrial bred specimen means externally we are injecting the gonadotropic hormones to that fish and that hormones induce the breeding in that fish. So by these methods the young one is born and that young one is attain the maturity only 11 months old. According to Ali Khuni, 1963, the total fecundity of silver carp ranging in weight from 3 to 8.5 kg was found to vary from 1,45,000 to 20,44,000, giving an average of 171 eggs per gram body weight. So this is the fecundity or egg laying capacity of silver carp. If the female weight is 3 kg, then that female gives approximately 1,45,000 number of eggs. In fishes, the high number of eggs due to there are various factors they attacking the eggs. There is various environmental factor that affecting the horse. So due to their maximum numbers, we are getting number of that young ones are survive. If the female is 8.5 kg, then that female gives 20,44,000 eggs. And average egg per gram body weight is 171 per gram body weight. It attains 2.2, 3.5 and 5 kg in first, second and third year respectively. Annual production of manure ponds means well fertilized ponds. In such pond, the annual production of silver carp is 1000 kg per hectare. So dear friends, this is the characteristics or biology of the silver carp. It is one of the important exotic carps which is cultured in India, so that their biology is very important. That should we know before the selecting this fish for the culture purposes. Thank you.